I'm Phil Cole from Perrin Rowe. I'm the contracts manager. Perrin Rowe originally was created by two people, Bob Perrin and Greg Rowe. This was founded in 1978, where they started actually in the garage, where they manufactured small brassware parts for different industries. And then they started to build their reputation for actually the kitchen and bathroom industry. And in 1991, they actually manufactured the world's first filtration tap for the kitchen. It had an integrated spout, and it was the first in its industry and has now become world-renowned product. From that, we've continued to grow, but the one thing that we've always kept is the UK manufacturing. We've always done it internally, from drawing our first ever product to manufacturing to delivering. We've never ever once changed or diversified in that. We've always been a UK manufacturer. Perrin Rowe has always been renowned for a traditional brand and a traditional product. So it's going to be a real shock for people in the industry and also the consumer to see something quite different. Perrin Rowe is going to launch this ultra contemporary monobloc collection. It's going to have some real interesting design cues that will be instantly recognisable from a Perrin Rowe product, but at the same time offering this real contemporary look that will resonate with consumers' bathrooms that already exist. Thanks very much for watching. This was the 90 seconds with KBB Ark.